went in, you made a move on your man's best friend. Have you lied to someone you love? Cause you're doing things that you're not proud of. People, they wanna chat your name, break it down, pick you up again.
He said something that she didn't know. Although he promised he won't tell a soul. Don't talk about my business, I won't talk about yours. Don't talk about my business, I won't talk about yours. It's up to me what I do behind closed doors. So don't talk about my business, I won't talk about yours.
What's it gotta do with you? Spreading rumors of how I live, where I am and who I'm with. What I do is my prerogative. From now on, concentrate on you. Don't be watching everything I do. Show me love, I'll do the same. What goes round comes back again.
He said something